Killmonger. Ah! Hey, baby. You know what? I'm gonna shoot my shot. If I slide through his DMs looking like a Wakanda bride, he won't have a choice but to love me. Genius! What's up, guys? It's your girl Shari Shine, and I am back with another video. Today I have a Wakanda wedding inspired hair tutorial just for you, using products from none other than the Main Choice, which you can now pick up in these fun sizes at a Dollar General store near you. So let's hop right in. After washing and conditioning my hair with the Easy on the Curls Detangling and Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, I'm going to use the 3-in-1 as my leave-in and part my hair into 3 sections. As far as the parting goes for this hairstyle, I really had no particular pattern in mind. I just kind of freestyled it. But I did decide to leave these 2 sections of hair out on the side to braid forward to add a little flair to the hairstyle, you know. And voila, this is what I came up with. You don't have to do it exactly like I did it. Just try to make sure that your parts are straight. I'm just slightly going to mist my hair with a little water to reactivate that 3-in-1 for added slip for the styling process. For additional moisture and hold, I'll be using the Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel from the Main Choice. Yes, this is a moisturizing gel, and look how it defines my curls. Another thing that I really like about this gel is that it is infused with pure goodness. Let me tell you, it's got avocado oil, biotin, vitamin E, it lays those edges, it's everything. Now here I'm just detangling with my Denman brush prior to securing the section with a rubber band. Yes, I do use rubber bands. I don't see anything wrong with it as long as you know how to properly remove them. I like to just pop them off, break them to release the section because I'm not going to use it again. So I use a rubber band. Currently my hair is not long enough or thick enough to achieve the size bantu knots that I want. So I'm just going to use some kanekalon braiding here to do that for me. After sectioning out the amount of hair that I need for the bantu knot, I'm going to take a rubber band and wrap it around the piece of hair like so. Stretch one end over and pull the inside piece of that rubber band that's left over up, and it'll secure that piece of hair. I do it this way because I have not mastered braiding with hair. So I'm gonna cut a few corners. At the end of the day, it still gets the job done. Okay, sis? Okay, so this is where it gets really tricky. Are you paying attention? Okay, it's not that hard. You're just gonna twist, make a twist, and then wrap that twist around as tightly as you can, using your other hand as a guide as you wrap the other hair around. Now, I just simply tuck the ends of the remaining hair around the bantu knot, and that secures it by itself. But if you would like a little additional hold, feel free to add a rubber band or a hairpin. I'm just simply repeating this process over my entire head until all of my bantu knots are complete. details on this hairstyle, be sure you check the description bar below, and make sure you head to the nearest Dollar General and pick up the fun new sizes available in the Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel, the 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, and the soft as can be shampoo and conditioner from the main choice. If you like the video, comment down below, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I am Shari Shine. Peace and blessings.